Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Art World with ANKAN. Today we'll learn how to draw a nose and shade it perfectly and make it realistic. So to draw a nose we'll use three grades of pencil, that is H, HB and 4B, and a blending brush and a cotton stick for smoother blending. So let's get started. First we'll use H grade pencil to draw the basic outlines. Here I am drawing the basic outlines of the nose. We will only draw the lower part because the upper part is mainly done by shading. Here I will make a comparison between two drawings, that is how to draw and how to not draw. So in this basic outline you can see it's not much difficult. I just shaded the dark part with the dark pencil and lighter part with the lighter pencil and just blended it. It's not look so realistic. So here I will draw another one. Same here we will do, that is the outline with the H pencil, and I am doing a shading through the lines with the same pencil. Now I will cover the whole area of the nose with the lightest pencil and just remove leftover part and I will let the highlighted part of the nose as paper white. So it's better to not shade on that part because after erasing it will not look so much better after erasing, so that we'll leave the part as paper white. After it's done, we will use a HB pencil to make it the darker. As you can see, the right side of the nose is more darker because the light falling from the left side. I am just making the outline more visible so that after blending it doesn't get disappear. Now I will use 4B pencil to darken the areas on, that is the right side of the nose. So I will start from the lower end, that is through the outlines. I will make it more dark. As you can see, I am going through the lines again and again to make it more darker. Doesn't apply pressure, that is the basic technique, that don't apply pressure with the pencil, just use the darkest. As you can see, I have made the right side more darker than the left one. Now I will make the outer part of the nose more darker so that the noses get more popped out of the paper and looks more realistic. Now I will blend it again to make a smooth texture and a realistic. Now I will use a cotton stick for the final blending. Using cotton stick is I prefer good because it will become a more smoother texture than a brush and will give a hyper-realistic look to any of your sketches. As you can see and compare yourself, that is the left one is how we used to draw, but if we give patience and do slowly we can achieve a better result.